Hey guys, so if you're like me who plays a lot of games on mobile device, I ordered an Xbox, but to be honest, I did not find enough time to properly turn it on and sit there and to play it because I'm usually on the move or working, and so I always prefer a mobile device to play games because wherever I find time, I usually take a session, take a few minutes and play the games and then get back to work or whatever I'm doing at that time. So I play a lot of games on mobile devices, and what happens is that you use only two thumbs, and they either get tired or you have a disadvantage because you are trying to use one thumb to perform multiple actions. So we usually end up using gaming controllers. I have an gaming triggers as well lying around, but this is the first time I have ordered a gaming controller, and the unique thing about this gaming controller was that it allows you to use four fingers, like two thumbs and four fingers. And another unique feature that I really loved about this one, and the reason I ordered this one, is because it has a built-in very powerful semiconductor cooler, like not a normal fan cooler, but a semiconductor cooling technology, which is the latest technology that you really should be using to cool your device. The old fan coolers are gone, they are the technology of the past. So let's open it up and let me show you. Packing is really good, as you can see. I can feel the good quality of packing. This is the controller, well packed, and we have about 2 meters, or yeah, about 2 meters of good quality Type C cable, which will be used to actually use the built-in phone cooler. And yeah, this is the controller. Let me put this aside. And this is the controller. As you can see, there are four controls here and four fingers to control them with. And this area is really soft, like the curvature is really good. There are no sharp corners around here, so the area where you're actually holding it is really nice to hold. By having it in my hand, I can actually feel that plastic is not of bad quality plastic, it is a good quality plastic. And there are soft tips, these red tips on top and bottom where the device will be held, so that there is no scratch. And this area is the one that actually will be cooling your device, and it is a very large area. So more the processor is usually around the center of your device, and this will cover more than center of your device to cool it. And on the back you can see there is a fan. That the fan actually works with the semiconductor cooling technology to pump the heat out, so it does not throw air on your device to cool it, it pumps the heat out. So using the semiconductor technology, what happens is that as you keep pulling the air out, hot air, this area starts cooling automatically. And if I see, like, you can do the flexibility like this. It is flexible depending on your device, it will flex itself. And yeah, on this side we have a Type C input to turn on your phone cooler, and then a power button. Type C takes the input for the cooler, and a button is when you want to turn it on. By default it will remain off. So if you're not looking to cool your phone, which you really should be looking into, and then you don't need to connect it with a Type C cable. But if you are trying to cool it, then connect it with the Type C cable and start gaming. The sound of the fan is very minimal, like it does not disturb you. You can feel that there is a fan running somewhere, but it's not annoying sound. Oh guys, I don't have words to actually tell you in within a few seconds how much cold this area is. I mean, when I put my fingers on top of it, I feel like I'm touching ice. And after putting it for like 10 to 15 seconds, right now my fingers are asking me to let it go. Like, the tips are getting really cold. So excellent cooling, like I have never seen a cooling like this one. It's like it's really like you're touching ice with this one. Let me turn it off. It The cooling is amazing, I would say. This area, even after disconnecting the power, it is still cold, like really cold. So as whether you like the controller itself or not, the cooler inside it is an excellent one. And to be honest, with the price I bought it in, this is an amazing deal for me. And yeah, I am definitely going to use this one and try it out. And I will also leave the link to buy this one in the video description. And so in case anyone is interested, and I will be sharing my feedback in the future as well, whether I enjoy it or not. So let me know about your feedback as well, and take care. Bye.